Alright, it's Sunday, the middle of the day. And I got some stuff to do. I think the paint's dried, so I could probably go ahead and put that instrument cluster together. It's hanging right there. Could do that. I need to clean my workbench off again, though, don't I? Sure enough. Alright, I'm going to have to make an executive decision. Mama's in the house. She's got a migraine, which is inconvenient since it's the weekend. So, I'm going to have to soldier on here by myself. The young man, he's off with a friend at the movies. And her parents seem like nice folks, so there's that. And I guess I'm out here by myself. So I'm going to make the most of it. And since I'm going to do that, maybe y'all could hit the like button. That would help out a bunch. It really would. I noticed I put a video up just a little bit ago and it had 53 views and 11 thumbs up. Anyway, there's that. I guess folks that watch it just don't like it. I don't know. Anyway, what I was talking about was Mrs. Heavy Chevy selected this silver paint, and it ain't right. I can't deal with it, so I'm going to use the other silver paint I got, which matches that dash better. That paint's got a little metallic-y in it, and this ain't got nothing. This kind of looks ugly, to be honest, so I'm gonna change that. Don't tell her I done it though, because I'm just gonna see if she notices. Well, I'm gonna do that as soon as I figure out where I left it. For Pete's sake. See, this is why I can't be left alone. I lose everything. How could I have possibly lost the paint can in this highly organized location? That's the wrong one. That's some other stuff. There's a cap for it. There's the little test panel I sprayed. Didn't do a very good job on because it sprayed funny to start with. Here it is over here. My experience is you can't, these kind of spray tips are junk. If you want it to work good, you need one that looks like that right there. These things just ain't cool. Well, the paint dries in 5 minutes, it says. So probably I'll give it 2 hours. Which means I need to work on something else. Let me pick something here. There's any number of things could be done. Got to make a door for the trap door for the fuel tank there. Dimmer switch. I could install that, although that's no crisis at the moment. What else? I either need to paint the dash or clean up what's there. I could put part of that heating and air together up under the dash there. Could assemble all that. Might not be a bad idea. Anyway, I'll do something. Trouble is, I was in the mood to do that. It's just the way it goes sometimes. I don't know, I think I can work on it. It's been like 10 minutes. I think I can work on it. I'm gonna. Since that's what I'm in the mood to do. Right?
Maybe.
Look who's come up from the hidey hole she was in with her headache. Alright, I'm putting these gauges together. Pretty easy, really. I needed some little bit longer screws, which I just happened to have. So that's good. And I'm going to continue because I'm excited about it. Alright, I got all that easily assembled. I mean, really kind of easy. Probably a girl could have done it. Alright, now I just hook these wires together. And then I hook up the little bulbs for the turn signal indicators, oil light, and generator. And then that part is done. Ooh, that's pretty spiffy, ain't it? That part was really easy to do. Now I gotta do all the wiring. Alright, now that I got that, that's the easy part of it, really. Now that I got that done, what am I gonna do next? I need a hole saw to get the holly harness inside. I could modify my bracket for some truck coils. I could do that. Or I could figure out my emergency brake deal. Or I could build a little trap door for that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build that. I'm going to run my 5/16 vent line. The filler is right there, which reminds me I need to order a gas cap. I think I got to take apart what Mrs. Heavy Chevy done there. And I need to install the fill nozzle, the fill into the tank. So I think I'm going to do that part first. Get all the lines run correctly, and then build the trapdoor. That's what I'm going to do. And Mrs. Heavy Chevy suspected I was hungry. Well, after I told her, and is warming me up something to eat. Hose clamp. This bit of a truck. Here, grab that. Dang. Hello. We're gonna have to come up with an alternate means. Doesn't help the weights. Okay. Pull that in a little bit. There it goes. Uh-oh, I wounded myself. Alright, that's good for now. This is kind of a pain. I'm gonna have to get some silicone or something. Congratulate myself on being all done, but I ain't all done. Now I gotta put in that little, if it turns upside down, valve. Alright, now we gotta make a door. Is it tight? We gotta make a door for the fuel pump, so we're gonna bead roll a little X in it, or at least that's what we're gonna try to do. Alright, that's what we came up with. She done alright. She only took my tried to take my fingers off a couple times.
I didn't try to take any fingers off.
Alright, now she's got to go pick up our boy. He's hanging out with his friend, and her parents seem like nice folks. Alright, since Mama went to go get the young man from the movies with his friend, I painted that, which will go in there. And then I went out in the shed and studied the inventory for a while, and now I think I'm going to pick the car up and build some ground cables. I think that's what I'm going to do. Ain't much time left in the day, but might as well do something. Oh yeah, I cleaned this up. Now I got to figure out what I'm going to do there, but I think I'm going to make, you know, in 57s, the air comes in from the front. I think I'm going to make some kind of air box there. And I got to figure out what I'm going to use for an air filter. You know, Wix and Napa makes one. Diesel guys use them. I think it's a 4-inch. On this end, it's a big old air filter. Big. I can't show you my other hand because it's holding the... But it'd probably come out to there if you installed it. And then you clamp it on that side, 4-inch. I used to remember the part number, but I can't now. Maybe I'll do something like that. I don't know. I got to figure that out. I went out and found some 4 gauge. Maybe it's bigger than that. Might be 2. Come off that Cadillac I scrapped a while back. You know, they got the batteries in the back. Lots of cable to be salvaged. I kind of want to put the battery in the back on this, but I don't know. I ain't made up my mind yet. Ain't made up my mind yet. It's not like this is going to be a real fast car. Although, it might be the fastest one I got. So, I'm also going to look into, I understand you can get valet mode on the Holly Terminator. I might need to have that for Mama for when I ain't looking. She's a little rowdy. Well, I hooked up 4 ground wires and grounded the sending unit on the gas tank. But I think that's about all I'm going to do this evening on that car. Because I'm tired. And also, I might call my cousin, see if he got my truck done yet. You know, it's only been a month. It's over there in transmission jail. Anyways, you know, I've been accused of being impatient, but I believe in getting stuff done. Although this car here's stretched out a good long while, ain't it? Anyway, I'm gonna ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Sure do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Go to MrHeavyChevy.com and buy yourself something cool. You know, summer's coming. So do that, and I'm going to go away now.